Hello, in this short video, you will learn where to find the college catalog and how to access various resources on the HACC website. To find all the resources you will need as a current student, go to the HACC website and click on Current Students. Here you will find a number of categories on the left-hand side, including information related to advising and counseling, career services, disability services, and any other information that you will need as a student. In order to find the college catalog, click on Programs and Courses, and then Course Catalog. Then click on the current year, and the catalog will open